What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're doing Headed North by Kahan. It's a great tune, a little challenging but very doable. On the left side we've got mostly common chords. On the right side the finger picking is going to take some time to learn, but really you just got to slow it down, let that muscle memory build up over a couple days, and you'll get it. We're in standard tuning, no capo, no pick, and yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so let's start with the intro. This is the part where he plays something, then he says, "Oh shit," and then he plays something again. Once you learn this, the whole rest of the song is just variations on the intro. So this is going to be the longest and hardest part of the tutorial, so just stick with me through this and you'll be golden. So we start in a G chord shape, which I'll put up on screen here for you. That is middle finger, 3rd fret, 1st string, ring finger, 3rd fret, 5th string. Okay, so this is what the G part sounds like slowly. Switch. Okay, so let's learn that. Let's learn it. We're plucking top string with our thumb, then we're pinching 3rd and 5th with our thumb and middle. So now our thumb's gonna stay exactly where it is for the rest of this part, and we're gonna go thumb, pointer on 4th, thumb, 6th string with our ring finger. So if you don't have a ring finger dexterity yet for finger picking, it's time to learn, okay? So it's thumb, pointer, thumb, 6, pinch. So from the top. Okay, get that down. Then you're gonna do thumb, pointer, thumb, 5th open. And that's when we switch to the A minor. Okay, so the whole thing. Switch. All right, practice that, take some time, get it down. Then we'll move on to the A minor. The A minor part sounds like this. Okay, let's do that one more time. Okay, let's learn it. So before we switch, we pluck that 5th string, then we're hammering on to the A minor chord, which is middle finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, pointer finger, 5th string, 1st fret. So we're hammering on that whole chord, but we're not plucking that 5th string. Even though you want to hear it, you're not plucking it again. You're not doing this. You're just, okay? Then at the same time that hammer hits, you're plucking the 2nd string with your thumb. So this transition here really like spun me for a loop to start, but it's okay. So you do that. Then pointer 4th, thumb 3rd, middle 5th, and pull off. Okay, but the same time you pull off, remember, the same time you pull off now, we're plucking our thumb on 2nd string, 2nd fret. So it's, and doing the same for 3rd. Then we're plucking 5th again, and hammering on again. And now we're putting our ring finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string to make it kind of a C shape, but there's no middle in here. So it's okay. Very nice. Practice that. That's an important part. If you got that down, that's good. Speeding up is the harder part. Once you pluck this, then you're gonna pinch with 2nd and 5th. And then you'll do the next part, which I will demonstrate for you. So from the top, it's oop. Okay, that's the rest of it. Let's talk about it. So now we're here. So we pluck it, second string, pinch, second and fifth. Then we go third, fourth, so third with our thumb, or sorry, second with our thumb, third, third, open, fourth. So, okay. Then we pluck, pinch again, third, second, fourth with our pinky down on the third fret now. So it's okay. Then we do that one more time with our pinky down. So it's but instead of plucking that pinky down, we hop into our lick. Okay, the lick's really fast, and I'm still getting that part down, okay? But you're not actually plucking this pinky on the lick. So the transition from this to the lick is so that is 4th string, 2nd fret, hammer on to the 3rd fret and pull off. Then 3rd string, pluck open, 2nd fret and pull off. Then middle finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret, pull off. So there's no, it's just so. Okay, so let me demonstrate the whole thing up to the aw shit. Okay, so you're gonna do that loop, then he's gonna say all shit, and then you're gonna play that loop again, and then before he starts singing, we're gonna play that loop one more time, but with 2 very specific changes. So on this 3rd iteration, we have 2 changes. The first change is for the G chord. This is what the G chord is gonna sound like on this 3rd loop. Okay, so we're doing plucking the top string, then we're pinching, but it's open. Then we're going 3rd, 4th, 3rd, and now we have the middle finger down for the 5th. So it's then we're plucking top string, pinching open again, 3rd, 4th, 3rd, and switch. Okay, so it's okay, nice job. So then we continue on, we do and switch. So you notice at the end of this, when we're down here at the C and we're doing our pattern, and we do one pattern, we hit open, an open 4th string. Then we do one pattern we hit with our pinky down, and we do another one, and then we do another one. So it's 1 open, then 3 in the pinky before we switch. And we switch right after hitting the pinky. So what it looks like again is and then we move on. Okay? And from now on, at the end of this loop, that's what we'll do. So it'll be 1 open on the 4th string and then 3 with the pinky down and switching on that, like directly after that last pinky hit. Okay, hopefully that made sense. That's the whole intro for you. Then once you start singing, again, these are just minor variations on the intro, so it's gonna be quick now. So for the verse, the only thing different here is the G chord, okay? And we're gonna do a loop literally 8 times in a row with this version of the G chord, and that's the only thing that's gonna be different. So this is the version. Okay, So let's take it slow. It's pluck, pinch, third, fourth, third, fifth, pluck, top, pinch, third, fourth, third, fifth, switch. Okay, that's the verse variation. Okay, nice. And then you just continue with that. And you continue and do that 8 times in a row while he sings the verse, okay? Then we get to the chorus where there's a little change up. Okay, so for the chorus, let me demonstrate it real quick and then we'll talk through it. Okay, that's the chorus. That was pretty fast. It'll hopefully speed up a little later. But let's break it down step by step and go even slower. Okay, so coming from the verse, this is what it sounds like slowly. Remember, we're on that C chord, so it's... Okay, so starting with that A minor part, we're plucking top string, or sorry, second string, then we're pinching third and fifth, then we're hitting that second string again, then fourth, third, fifth. So, then we're plucking second again and pinching again. So it's all right. And now instead of doing the second, fourth, third, fifth in this shape, we're gonna move our middle finger to the second fret of the second string, and we're going second, fourth, third, fifth, then plucking second on the third fret and pinching third and fifth, and hammering on our middle finger on the second fret. So all together is okay. Sounds really nice. I really like that. In that pattern of pluck, pinch, pluck, 2, 3, 4 is kind of what's gonna continue on for this whole chorus. So now we're on that C. It's gonna be pluck on the second string, pinch, third and fifth, pluck, fourth, third, fifth, twice. So, all right, do that twice. And we're switching to our G shape. So you could do it like this now, switching fingers around, or like this again, right? Whatever. We're plucking top string, third and fifth, top string, fourth, third, fifth, and then doing it again. Okay, get that down, slow it down, speed it up, whatever you need to do to get it. Then we're moving on to a diminished chord up here, which is going to be middle finger, fourth string, second fret, pointer finger, fifth string, first fret, ring finger, sixth string, second fret. Okay. And now our new bass note is this three, this third string, and we're going pluck, pinch, third, fifth, fourth, sixth. Okay, you do that twice. Great. Then we go back to our A minor and we start over. Okay. But then, instead of doing the G, we just skip the G completely, go straight to the diminished. Then back to our C. And then we're back to the verse. Okay, congratulations, it's the whole chorus. So I'll play through the whole chorus super slow for you. And then we move on to the verse once more. Okay, and then after you learn that chorus, the song is basically yours. You can continue on finger picking through the next verse and the chorus again. But what he does in the song is he does like a strumming thing with like the same rhythm as the finger picking, but it's the same chords, same fingerings. He's just going like. And he just has fun with it. There's no like strict rhythm to that. So you can figure that out pretty easily. And yeah, that's the whole song. So congratulations. If I added some value to your day, please drop me a like. If you're into this type of music, I'm a fellow fan. So subscribe here. I'll keep making videos. You can keep watching them. It's great. Yeah, and have a great day.